Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm diving into the fascinating world of Korean beauty secrets for that ageless, youthful glow. Ready to unlock some tips? Let's get started. First, let's talk about the dongan phenomenon. In Korea, dongan means baby face, and it's all about looking younger than your actual age. Just look at Korean celebrities like Kim Hae-soo, who's 51, or Song Hye-kyo at 40. They look stunningly youthful. But what's their secret? There are 4 primary factors that lead to aging. Number 1, UV ray exposure. It decreases collagen production, making the skin thinner and less elastic. Number 2, free radicals, which damage cells and accelerate aging. Number 3, dryness. As sebum production reduces, your skin loses moisture quicker. And lastly, lifestyle factors like smoking, drinking, lack of sleep, and caffeine. All these can speed up the aging process, so what can you do about it? Start your anti-aging skincare routine in your mid-20s or even earlier. Products with vitamin C are a game changer here. Now, let's get into some tips for a youthful appearance. First, lifestyle changes. Always apply sunscreen every 2-3 hours. Avoid smoking, excessive drinking, and too much caffeine. Get enough sleep and eat a balanced diet rich in anti-aging foods like ginseng, anchovies, beans, fruits, and vegetables. Eating smaller meals more frequently can also help. For skincare, products containing ginseng are fantastic due to their antioxidant and anti-fatigue properties. Incorporate anchovies into your diet for their active oxygen removal benefits. Seasonal veggies like cabbage and broccoli are also great for their antioxidants. Speaking of skincare, let's look at the Korean skincare routine featuring wild ginseng products. The SEA 21-5 serum and 75 maximizing cream are your go-tos. Remember, surgical procedures are an option, but always approach them with caution. Massaging your face can stimulate lymph nodes, improve blood circulation, and eliminate wastes. Focus on areas like your jawline, between your eyebrows and laugh lines. Key ingredients like elastin, honey, ginseng, and hyaluronic acid protect and nourish your skin. A Korean medicinal mask, possibly ginseng-based, can prevent wrinkles, lengthen cell lifespan, and act as an antioxidant. To use it, apply a thin layer after cleansing, gently massage it in and leave it on for 5-10 minutes before washing off with lukewarm water. And don't forget the importance of a proper cleansing routine. Apply an appropriate amount of cleanser, massage it in, and use wet fingers to help with removal. Finally, let me share some facial massage techniques. For your jawline, make fists and gently push upwards from the middle of your chin. For the eye area, rub your fist together to generate heat and apply light pressure to the brow bone and under the eyes. For your cheeks, puff them out with air and hold for a few seconds, alternating sides. That's all for today. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.